Of all the different wonders we've been talking about in Revelation chapter 21, boy, verse 24 really hits home. It tells us in the previous chapters there's no need of a temple because the Lord God is the temple. There's no need of the sun or moon because the glory of the Lord will illuminate the entire New Jerusalem. The Lamb will be its lamp. And then we go into verse 24, and it says something which just has a great depth here, and I want to share it with you. It tells us then that glory light, the nations of the new earth will walk in that light, and the kings will bring their glory into it. Now, that might be puzzling, except for a truth. This verse is the great equalizer verse. You see, that word for nations is really in the Greek ethnos. It does mean people groups, maybe by culture or by language or by race. What is intimated in that verse is that the followers of Christ, have found that there is no bias, no prejudice, no boundary lines. All the nations will be together under Christ. This means the individuals who make up a particular culture, the individuals who were on earth in the earthly life of a particular political structure or a different landmass, are all together, because now everybody's brought together under Christ. I'm reminded of Revelation chapter 7 and verse 9 when John looks down and says, I can't count the number of believers that are here, but I do see them by different nations, by different races, by different languages, and yet they're together celebrating Christ. That's the first part. The next part is this. The kings are coming into the New Jerusalem, bringing their glory in. Now, there's a lot of things we can say, but one point I want to give to you is this. If the kings had any glory, it is now given to the King of Kings, to the Lord, and everybody celebrates together. Just as in Revelation 4, the elders who had the crowns threw them willingly before the Lord and said, you are worthy. And then the continual praise, yelling and cheering and celebrating in Revelation chapter 19. You are worthy. All of the joy goes to you. And as we celebrate together, we celebrate Christ. There is no prejudice. There is no bias. There is no racism. That makes it heaven alone there, isn't it? As we celebrate vertically to the King of Kings, as it says in Revelation chapter 15 and verse 3, we're celebrating together, as Psalm 133 says. It is good and it's pleasant for brethren to dwell together in unity. A quick thought, a joyful thought.